Let's go buy fresh tomatoes together today. Yes, let's go quickly and have fun. Wait for me. Please slow down a little.
Hey, be careful when you run like that.
Oh no, now my shoes are very dirty. We are really sorry for that accident, sir.
I accept your apology.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, just be careful next time, please.
I feel very sad about my shoes now. But they look good on you. Do not worry. We can clean them later. Ah! Move quickly! I am coming through here. Oh no! That was really very scary. That was a close call. That was so close, I almost fell down. What is this thing under my foot now? It is a dog, and it looks big. Run now, the dog is coming fast. Run faster, do not stop for anything. He is coming closer. I am so scared. Oh no, there is no way out here. Please help us. I am really scared now.
Rocky, stop right now and stay still.
Do not worry. He will not hurt you.
We were really scared of the dog.
I am very sorry for what happened.
Thank you for helping us just now. Let's go now and continue walking. This place looks very busy and noisy. Where are we now? I do not know. I think we are lost in this place. Oh no, that is really not good. Stay calm, we will find a way. Look over there, I see fresh bread. Wow, looks good. It smells so good and warm inside. These flowers look very nice and colorful. This building looks very old and strange. Yeah. Look at that pizza shop over there. Wow. We saw this place already before, right? You're right. We did. I think we are even more lost now. Don't worry, we'll find our way. I hope so, Leo. I really want to see Mom right now. I want to go home as soon as possible.
Are you two all right? You look lost.
Yes, we are. We are lost and cannot find our way.
Don't worry, I'll help you find your way. This area is a circle you walked around.
A circle? I do not understand that.
Just go straight and do not turn.
Thank you very much for your help. Thank you. Maybe now we can finally go home.
There are too many roads here. I am lost.
I am very tired. Let's sit down here. Okay, we can rest for a moment now. Move away quickly from the road. Oh no, my shoes are dirty again. Wait a moment, I have an idea now. Look, we can follow these marks. Perhaps we should try something different with this plan. We follow the marks back to our home. Okay, let's try your idea together now. Look carefully at the ground. Do not miss. I see one mark right over there. Good job. Let's keep going forward. I think we can go home now. Oh no, it is starting to rain now.
The marks are disappearing in the rain.
Quick, let's go under that shelter.
Today feels like a very bad day.
It is okay. We will be fine together. Should we go left or right now? Right, let's go this way. Let's choose right and keep walking.
Maybe we are close to home now.
Look, I think that is our house.
Yes, we are finally back home.
Hello, who are you children?
Oh no, this is the wrong house. Sorry, we made a small mistake. We are lost and cannot find our home and thought this was our house. Sorry.
It is okay. Tell me more details.
Our house has a red door and flowers in the window.
It is next to our neighbor's house.
Oh.
And it's just around the corner from the big tree.
Our dad really likes tomato juice.
Ah,
I think I know that place.
go left, then walk straight ahead.
Thank you so much for your help.
Goodbye and have a nice day. We are almost home now. I feel it.
Please slow down. I am very tired now. Yes, this is really our house. Where were you both just now?
We got lost while walking outside.
It is okay. You are safe now.
How long were we gone today?
You were gone for about 1 hour.
Only 1 hour? It felt so long. Ah, yes, it really felt much longer. Come inside now and take some rest.
I am happy to be home again. I feel much better sitting here now.
I'm so glad to hear that, darling.
Always be careful when you go outside. You're safe now. Let's get you settled.
Yes, we will remember this lesson. We learned a very important lesson today. Stay safe and always stay together.